Till now, we have been studying contact forces. These are the forces in which contact between the objects is necessary for the force to operate between them. Muscular force and force of friction are the examples of contact forces that we have discussed previously. But is contact between the objects always a necessity for the forces to come into play? Let us find that out. Take a bar magnet and place it on the table. What is a bar magnet? Well, we all know what magnets are. Bar magnet is an artificial magnet which has this shape. Place an iron nail on the same table at some distance away from the bar magnet. Now move this bar magnet towards the nail like this. Keep moving the magnet slowly, closer and closer to the nail, but make sure not to touch the nail. What did you notice? When the bar magnet was sufficiently close to the nail takes a leap towards the magnet and sticks to it. What does this tell us? This shows that the magnet attracts the nail and the contact is not necessary for this attraction. The magnet pulled the nail towards it even though it was not in contact with the nail. The force that this magnet exerts on the nail is called magnetic force. So contact is not required for the magnetic forces to come into play. We call this force a non-contact force. Now, if you bring this magnet close to your iron cupboard, you will get the same results. As you move this magnet closer and closer to the iron cupboard, the magnet will attract the cupboard towards itself and vice versa. However, in this case, it is the magnet which will shoot out of your hand and stick to the cupboard. Are there any other non-contact forces besides the magnetic force? When you release an object, say a plastic ball, from some height above the ground, it just falls on the ground. Why does it fall towards the ground? This is because of the force that the earth exerts on it in the downward direction. The earth always pulls the objects towards it. This force that the earth exerts on an object is called the gravitational force. This force is attractive in nature. That is, it attracts two objects towards each other. When you open a tap, water begins to flow downwards. This is because of the gravitational pull of the earth on water. Now, I want you to tell me, is gravitational force a non-contact force? Yes, it is. We can clearly see from our examples, the contact is not required between the earth and the other object to attract each other. We say that the gravitational force is a non-contact force. In the next video, we will see one last example of a non-contact force. See you there.